This video covers embroidery hoop basics and applies to all of the Toolkit products. The black square in the space pane is the hoop boundary. It allows you to quickly see your project's placement in the hoop and makes it easy to check if the design fits. Most file types won't allow you to save a design that contains stitches outside of the hoop. Because of this, we recommend that you display the hoop boundary in your workspace at all times. However, you can toggle its display using the View Hoop command. Even when turned off, the hoop will always be displayed in the reference pane. To change hoops, click on the Hoop button on the top toolbar. Choose your hoop from the list and check the Rotate box if desired. Use the scroll bar or down arrow to quickly move through the list. To make selecting a hoop easier in the future, you can hide the hoops you don't have. My embroidery machine came with only 2 embroidery hoops, but you can see that the PEZ format supports many more than that. The hoop list shows the hoop dimensions in millimeters, and its size in inches is shown in the info box when a hoop is selected. Since this isn't one of the hoops I have, I'm going to hide it by checking the Hide Hoop box. The hoop is hidden and the hoop selected in the list returns to the one currently in use. Just click on the next hoop you want to hide and repeat the process. Check the Hide box. If you make a mistake or want to display a previously hidden hoop, just check the Show Hidden Hoops box and make your changes. At the bottom of the hoop list are the multiple position hoops supported by the format and any custom hoops you may have set up. Multiple position hoops and custom hoops are only supported by Buzz Edit and will be covered in other video tutorials. Now that you know the process, decide which hoops you want to display. Do you want to limit the list to only hoops you own? Or maybe you want to include all the hoops supported by your embroidery machine, whether or not you currently have them. You can find this information by looking at your hoops, reading the machine manual, or searching the internet. Now open the Hoop Properties dialog and hide any hoops you don't want displayed. This will make selecting the correct hoop in the future so much easier and faster.